I'm gonna do a real quick video on changing out a blower fan motor in your Ford Fusion. This one was making a chirping sound. It was driving my wife crazy, so I'm gonna show you how quick it is to change it out. First thing you need to do is pull this cover down. Just jerk it like this real hard. It's got this 2 tabs right here holding it, and then it's being held back there. Just pull that out, and then it'll expose the fan right here. Next, we need to take this connector off right here. Just push a little tab in and pull it down. Next, you'll need a T25 Torx bit to take these 3 screws out. Those 3 with the yellow markings on them. Take those out. Now that I got the 3 bolts removed, I can pull this down. Out. There we go. Well, I dropped my fan, so now I have to order another one. So I'm gonna put the old one back in. It just goes in reverse order. Just put it back in place, put your 3 screws in, plug it back in, and you're good to go. All right, I ordered a new one off of Amazon. It came in one day for 40 bucks. So this is it. I'll put it in. All right, I put the 3 screws back in and plugged it in, and it's good to go. Just don't be a dummy like me and drop your fan and break it and have to order another one. I couldn't exchange the fan blades. They weren't the same thing, so I have to order a whole new fan.